spread love, it's the Brooklyn way.
Yeah, KGR, I'm inside this Mini Cooper 2015. Mini Coupe. Apparently there's some code coming up. I'm gonna bring you in a little while. Please, if you're new to our channel, KG, please support the boy. Shout out to Brooklyn. Let's spread love in Brooklyn way. Takes one to know one, takes two to tango. That's the message I'm preaching. We cannot be fruitful by ourselves. We all need each other to survive. It's when two hands watches the hand, that's when it becomes clean. So anyway, I'm going to bring you along and show you exactly what's going on. Apparently there's some agent code on this vehicle. I'm going to put a diagnosis scan to on it and see what we got and see what it's going to take to do this job. Having said that, KG, you know my slogan. Let's go. We're getting it right. All right, so I've already hooked my OB2 scan on it. I don't want to waste time. Let's go ahead and push this guy right now. Push the OK button. I'm going to say read the code and see what we got. As you can see, we have a code there, P0141. I'm talking about the O2 sensor, the heater circle, bank 1 sensor 2. Bank 1 sensor 2. You know this guy. This car uses 2 sensors, one on the front and one right on the manifold exhaust there. So we're going to go ahead and replace this O2 sensor so we can get this car moving. Let me bring see what she has bought and bring you guys back. All right, so this is the one she bought. So our advice, anytime you're buying oxygen sensor, I know this thing is a little bit expensive, try to get a better one so you don't visit this job again. So this is the part number for this 16138 Bosch. So we're gonna go underneath this car and see what it's gonna take to do this. Having said that, let's go. We're getting it right now. So here is the sensor. It's a little freaking down here. I'll make sure. Can you see that? That's it right there. The one on the right side there. That's the bank 1 sensor 2. And the one on the left hand side there, I believe they have changed that before. That shiny thing, that's the bank 1 sensor 1. So the connector come right here, right over here, just lock in here, just like so. Come right here like this. Disconnected already. There's a little lock right here. Okay, so now we're gonna figure out we're gonna get into that place here. I'm trying to take off this local. It's just giving me some problem. This car is small and it's crazy too. All right, the guy we're gonna be using, the Astro. That's the number right there, 7801. In case you want to get one of these, it's very good to, if you're a mechanic, I would prefer you get something like this. It's very good on working on oxygen sensor. As you can see, I just moved the no code to one side there, so hopefully I can get in there and get that boy out. KG, be right back. You can see, like I was advocating a while ago, if you're going to do a mechanic job, you have to make sure you have the right tools. When you have right tools, your life will be more easier. See the tools fitting really good. You can see right there, snugging really good. I'm using the 1/2, so I break it loose already. So we're gonna go ahead now and turn that boy out there. So it make your life more easy if you have the right tools. If you don't have the right tools, bro, you're gonna be there for a while. Oh my God, did you see that? My tools just fell. But I break it loose already. I should be able to use my hand to take it out now. Hopefully. All right. It's coming. Sorry about this. Blocking the video now. If you're gonna do this, make sure you do it when it's a little bit cold. Well, KG is a little hot here. Trying to do the best we can. So when you're losing this, you have to be turning the wire at the same time, because this thing, they're funny. Sometimes you lose it, it go back. There we go. got it out. Boys out. The only thing I have to think about now, my tools, how am I gonna get it? So this is the new one. So it comes with an anti-seize. So if you don't come with that, just make sure you rub something on it. So everything look the same. I'm gonna go right here. Look at the connector. Make sure they're the same. Look the same 4-pin. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and put the new one in there now. So I have to think about how am I gonna get my tools just drop on me there, man. That's not a good sign there. I have to go down underneath now, jack up the car. And the thing didn't drop on the floor. I wish it drop on the floor. I'll be more happy. So like the trick to doing this, when you tighten it, you'll be turning the connector at the same time. Once you do that, see, I got it there, easy, tie it up. So I'm gonna go underneath now and then try to get my tools. Once I get my tools, see the boys snug up right there now. Try to get my tools so I can finish up this job. So I was able to get my tools out. You know the last thing when you're walking on the car, you don't want your tools to drop, boy, trust me. I've lost tools like that, I drop, I can't get to it, I just let it go. But this one is too important. So I'm gonna go ahead and snug that boy down and reconnect all this whole thing. So I tie it up really good. So I'm just gonna pass this guy right now. This wire back here. So we can reconnect this boy. That comes down right so. And the boy comes down here. See? Try to fix this camera. KG need a sponsor. Anybody want to sponsor KG, please let me know. Because KG is okay, so this guy will come right here like this. There's a pin that goes in there. Once we snug it like so. That's it. Then this lock hold it. So everything is there. Then we're gonna put it right here. Squeeze it right in between there. That's it right there. So now we just move this. See what I did? I just moved the knuckle around because that knuckle was giving me a problem there. So you know, when you're walking on a car, you don't want to create more mess. So you want to try to do the best that you can do to make sure that you don't break anything. That's the goal. You don't want to create more problems. So this one right here has a pin. I believe when we push that down now, we should be fine. There's a pin that goes there. Just push it down. I should do that. And make sure that we're going well. And this one come right here. Just push that guy down, then this one coming on this hole here. Come on this hole right here. Push down. So this are squeeze. You just squeeze it. See, squeeze it like this to bring it up. So now I will connect this one. So there's a screw coming down there. Fit to measure. So there's a screw coming right here. There's a T. There's a T. I think I used T20. Coming right here. Right here it's coming. Put that T right there. Tie that boy down. And luckily for me, I was able to find it to put my camera. And the camera is still in it. Put a cover. Make sure that there's something fit for your work. Okay, I might want to use a screwdriver to put it on. It looks like the thing is not properly in. You just have to take off this clip right here. Push it right there, okay. can't squeeze that boy down. Okay. I believe that should be. I'll push that pin back in there. Okay. Alright, so now I'm trying to push it up. It's not coming up. So that I'm going to turn as hook. Okay. So let me show you what I was doing there. See right there? There's like all those BMW, Mercedes-Benz. Pull up that clip. And that's pretty much it. Then I put this guy back. I disconnected this while ago. Over here. Then I have to tie this guy. So that was it. See the knuckle, like I was saying, there was no room to come out. Probably I have to move all this plastic, which I didn't want to do, but pushing it to one side it gave me enough room to do what I need to do. So I just go ahead and tie this guy up now, and we'll clear the code and start the car, and we should be fine from there. Okay, it wasn't that bad. Alright, so I'll go ahead and put it. There's a cover that coming up there. There's a cover that comes up here like this. Wrong way. Comes up here like that, but then we have a hook. Yeah, we should have right there. See the hook right there? There we go. Push it down like that. Alright, so we'll go ahead and reset the code and start this car. That's pretty much it on this, and hope you learned something today. Like I always say, we learn every day. You make sure you learn something new every day. KG, I love you. I will see you on my next episode. Peace. I am gone.